Hi there, myself Madhav Jha. I welcome you to CodeChef and let's have a look at this question.
The problem is interesting match. The problem difficulty is easy and there are no prerequisites. Let's have a read at a problem. Chefland and Biteland are playing a football match against each other. Chef thinks a football match is interesting if the absolute difference in the number of goals scored by both teams is at most 2. In this match, Chefland scored X goals and Biteland scored Y goals. We need to find whether Chef found the game interesting. So for the input format, we have two space separated integer x and y. And for the output, we have to output either interesting or boring as per the results of the match. For the constraints, x and y will both range from 0 to 10. Let's see some sample input. So for the very first sample input, the score by Chefland is 2 and the score by Byteland is 4. Now if you find the absolute difference between them, it will be 2 minus 4. So 2 minus 4 would give us minus 2, but the absolute value will be equal to 2. Now since 2, the condition is that it can be at most 2. So if the answer is less than or equal to 2, the match is interesting. So in this case, it is equal to 2. Therefore, the match is interesting. As for the second sample input, the goals scored by Chefland is 7 and by the Byteland is 1. So the difference is of 6. This is greater than 2. Therefore, the output is boring. So for the solution, what we'll do is, we'll take the input of x and y and we'll calculate the absolute difference between them. If the absolute difference is less than or equal to 2, then this will be interesting. Otherwise, it will be boring. And this is how we'll get our solution. Let's see how we can implement the solution in C++. So for each test case, we have the input of x and y. We simply check if their absolute difference is less than or equal to 2. If it is the case, we print interesting, otherwise we print boring. And as you can see, I have AC in my C++ implementation. Let's see how we can implement this in Python. Again, we take the input of x and y and we check if the absolute difference is less than or equal to 2. We print interesting, otherwise we print boring. And as you can see, I have AC in Python implementation as well. So I hope you understood the problem, the approach, and how we can implement the solution in both C++ and Python. Have a very good day and I'll see you in the next video.